Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into this powerful AI website and create a short review about this platform called Lovo.ai. Lovo.ai is another AI-powered text-to-speech platform that provides a vast library of voice with a diverse accent and language. It's an excellent option for creating voiceover for various applications, from marketing videos to audiobooks. And here are the key benefits about this platform. They offer a natural sounding voice with a customization option and an integration which supports an API integration for seamless workflow integration with additional features including a text-to-speech editor, voice cloning, and a library of sound effects. Now, I'm talking about the pricing. They have the different range of pricing lists for their service. They offer a free plan with a basic, pros, and a pro plus. And on the free plan, which is a limited access to basic features and voice. When on the basic, you get access to a voice generation and access to more voice and features. Then on the pro, you get access to voice generation and in everything in the basic plus. You also get a first year 50% off on your plan with a pro plus. On the pro plus plan, get access to voice generation and everything in the pro plus with a first year 50% off. And talking about the pros and cons about this platform, the extensive voice library and customization option, which makes it super cool, and the ability to create a custom voice with a powerful audio editing tools and is suitable for creative project. Now, talking about the downside, it's steeper learning curve for some other platform. The plan is very limited and some advanced features requires a higher type plan, and this can be very frustrating. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.